In front of me is REALME C55, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this device. First of all, you need to open Tools folder, then tap on Recorder app. Now you can tap on those three dots at the top right corner. Select Settings and adjust them however you want to. For example, select Recording Format. When you finished, click on the back button and start your recording by tapping on this red button. Then select Allow in the pop-up. As you can see, recording is on. You can pause it or unpause it using the same red button. If you wish to discard it right away, tap on the top left corner. Then choose Leave and Delete Recording. In order to add a bookmark, click on left icon. If you wish to add a photo one, click on the right one instead. Take a picture and discard it by choosing X icon or save it by tapping on check mark. Now, to end your recording and save it, click on the check mark at the top right corner of it. Then name it however you wish to and tap on Save in Save Recording pop-up. As you can see, mine was successfully created. In order to play it, click on it. If you wish to delete it though, you need to hold it. Choose Delete at the bottom right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!